boxes of Bowman Inception Baseball for Troy W. Good luck, Troy, and thank you as always. Here we go. They're such beautiful looking cards. Ryder, I believe we will. If it's a newer product that's coming out, I'm sure we will get autographed jerseys. I am not sure when, though. All right. Nice one here. Parallel. Carlos Colmenares. Nice way to start off this box, Troy. Nice Colmenares. Very nice. Then we've got the base. Ooh, and we have an extra hit out of this one. We've got a Byron Bulovas for the A's. Julio Rodriguez for the Mariners. Nice. And a Aaron Sabato for the Twins. Nice box so far. All right, first hit. Out of 200, we've got Miguel Blias for the Red Sox. His auto reminds me of Jalen Darden's a little bit. Tiny little auto. It's going to be your first hit. Nice one up next out of 200. Little Yiddy Cafe for the Marlins. Nice hit there, Troy. Nice Cafe. 200. And your extra hit for the Astros out of 600, Zach Daniels. Zach Daniels for the last one. Extra hit. All right. Very nice first box there for you, Troy. Box number 2. Again, not a long queue after Troy. We've got a box of Topps Dynasty and then nothing after that. So get those orders in to get added to the queue. All right, purple parallel to 75, Jackson Rutledge for the Nationals. Nice numbered parallel there. And we've got some base cards. We've got for the Cardinals, Jordan Walker. Here's Jordan Walker. For the A's, Tyler Soderstrom. For the Mets, Jalen Palmer. Kids look so young. And then for the Tigers, Christian Santana. All right, first hit up out of 400 for the Pirates, a Jinhwan Bae. Love the design of these cards. Inception always does a great job. And last but certainly not least, blue to 99 for the Twins, Yunar Severino, sorry. Beautiful looking card. On the blue color match almost. All right, there you go, Troy. 2 very nice boxes. Congrats on those. Thanks again, as always, and we'll get these right out to you.